To always prevent website from seeing your browsing history on the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the smart anti-tracking option to always. To do so, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap privacy. Tap smart anti-tracking, and then select always. With this setting, the smart anti-tracking feature on the Internet app will always prevent website from seeing your browsing history by deleting cookies to prevent tracker from learning which website you have visited. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.